Hey guys, it's Mike. We're doing a little cooking video today. We're going to do omelets in a bag. So guys, this is what it looks like all mixed up. I got ham, sausage, cheese, bell peppers, and onions. Sorry for the helicopter. Urban life. We're here in Hemet. We're mixing it up. This is 2 eggs. Mixing up the eggs. And all the rest of the ingredients up. Okay guys, now that we've got the omelets in the bag in the boiling water, now we just wait. Just make sure that your bags are not touching the pan, because they will burn, they melt. That's how. Now we just got a few more minutes and they should be ready. Okay, I did forget to make sure you bring your water to a boil. Okay guys, omelets are just about ready. They look pretty good. Like I said, they're in here about 10 minutes boiling. Okay guys, here it is. Omelet in a bag. Cleanup's easy. You can just eat out of the bag, what I'm going to do. No dishes. You basically have a can of water. You just throw the bags away.